Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. It'll help my channel. What are you doing? Like I said, if you like this type of content, I'll ask you to subscribe. Guys, if you like this type of content, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and hit the like button if you what are you doing? If you like this type of content, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. If you would, hit the like button. It'll let you know each time I upload a video. And thanks for watching. God bless. You are a mess. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. It'll help my channel. Also, hit the notifications button, and it'll let you know each time that I upload a video. God bless. What are you doing? Ain't you something? Yeah. Oh, I know it. Oh, I know it. Being lovey. Yeah, I know. You're a big baby. No, you leave the microphone alone. No, 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 no. Leave the microphone alone. I know. Gotta hop down. No, I ain't holding you. You're being a mess. Ow! Hey, easy now. No biting. I know it. I can hear you up purring. What are you doing? It's too cold to be standing out here in all this wind. What are you doing? You're a mess. I'm trying to record this. I can't record it with you climbing all over me and getting in my face. Ow! That's my neck, you rat. Guys, if you like this type of content, I like to... I can't do this with you on me. Guys, if you like this type of content, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. It helps my channel. And if you would, hit the notification button. It'll let you know each time that I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and God bless. You're a mess.